on, and right now I'm in the right lane, and you can see it's just one lane traffic. It's on December 7th, or January 7th. And you can see it's pretty covered here. One lane traffic, basically. At the top of the hill, it's even worse. One of the worst places right there. But all the way from here to Sydney, it's pretty much drifting across pretty bad on 275 going north, where I'm at now. And about the top of every hill it's drifting, but it's a little bit better here. This is going towards Hamburg on 275. It's blowing pretty bad. And you can maybe see them right down the middle of my vehicle is the yellow line, so it's a lot of it's across. There's only one lane traffic on a lot of it. Oops, here comes a car. Snowplow just went through before me a little ways. Right up here, there was a lady when I was coming the other way, turned around and went back. She wouldn't even try to go through it. She can't see. And it's pretty much one lane. Really slick, it's just blowing and drifting across once in a while. You never know what a drift is when it's blowing, you can't see it. And I'm going north. There's Hillside Orchard. And like I said, this is the only road to the hospital too. This is, oh boy. Okay, I think I might be going to get stuck. Made it through. And turned around a couple times, took pictures. I think I'm heading back to Sydney. One lane and blowing snow. Just past, or two cops just went the other way, police officers from Sydney. I took him into the car. I had to pull clear over on the side. I guess he's going to wait for me. Here they are on Friday morning, blowing the snow off.